everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today I'm going to be using Aquacast with this mould. This was in the Temu haul video. It's a bunny. I'm not just going to be doing one, I'm going to be doing three, and they're all going to be different colours. Basically like a Valentine colour scheme, if you will. Anyway, so I've got some Aquacast here. We don't need the weighing scales. Right, now I've got 70 millilitres of water, and what I'm going to be putting in is the red Jesmonite pigment. And I'm a bit heavy-handed with this, so I'm going to try my very best to put one drop in because I only want it pink. I'm concentrating, can you tell? That might not be enough, but we can always have more, can't we? I can't take some out. Right, so to that 70 mils of water, I'm going to be putting 200 grams of powder. There we go. I'll get this all mixed up, making sure I get right to the bottom, and hopefully this will just be a very pale pink. I'm just going to pour a little bit in first into the ears and give them a good squish. I mean, the fact that I'm putting it on the vibration plate, I don't really need to do this, but just in case. A few lumps in there. Didn't mix that very well, did I? I'll rephrase that. A zillion lumps in there. Right, we just need a bit more. I'll mix that up before it cures so that I can get a decent match in the colour. So all I'm going to do is I'll top that up, I will put it on the vibration plate, and then we'll get on to the next one. Right, all cured now. Let's get it out, shall we? I'm a bit concerned about the ears. I've left it for a couple of hours on a heat mat because I don't want to break the ears when it's coming out. So let's see if I can do it gently. Let's have a bit of a pull. Don't want to break them off, do we? Yay! Ah, pretty little bunny. Pink's not so great. I think once it gets the wax on, we'll see the pink properly. Right, we'll go to the next. Okay, I made another one. Hopefully this one will be better. A bit lighter. Oh yeah, that's better. Much better. Right. I made a white bunny, and as you can see, I put some resin flowers on. I bought these flowers, I didn't actually make them myself. Let's move this to one side and we'll do the grey one. And all I did was take a bit of glue. You all know how to do this anyway. I'm sure of it. And pop it on. And they're all the same colour. Here we go. 3 little bunnies. They've all been waxed. And they go in on here. Like that. Can't really show you. And I'm going to put a decal there. Just waiting for this to dry now. Give it another day and then we can stick the decal on. It won't come off at the moment. It's far too wet to be putting any decals on. So I'll leave that to dry and I'll be back with you. There we go. Can't lift it up yet to show you. I'm going to try. They are seriously cute, them bunnies. Very nice mould. I'm going to let that dry now. And then I'm going to take some photographs. So I just want you to thank you all for watching. And stay tuned for the photos. And I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.